Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera today.
That's Amelia. In her Valentine's get up.
Oh, so cute. But we have a cool truck today.
Papa is at home. He's hanging out. He can't come here because the road is too busy right beside the field. We are the RC Saylors. Welcome to our RC family and happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
First, I can't remember exactly who sent that outfit, but it's super cute. So she's all in her Valentine's Day get up and we got some pictures of her, so thank you. Today, we are here at the track, football field, to run a speed test of this truck that's killing my arm now. It's super heavy.
It's a 1/8 scale. This thing is huge. Look at that thing. And no, it doesn't come with these awesome stickers on there, but if you want to show the RC Saylors some love, you can get some RC Saylors stickers of your own through our Patreon page, which we'll have linked in the description box down below. Buy this beautiful truck.
This is the ZD Racing 9203. It is a short course truck and it's 1/8 scale.
Big.
4-wheel drive. I mean, this thing is sharp and it's new. I don't think many people even have videos on this yet. So we're super excited because for the most part, I think we've only had one ZD Racing dud.
Right.
So we're super excited.
And it wasn't even a dud, it was just an ESC dud.
Right, so that buggy it was, all we had to do was put a new, it was the receiver actually.
Well, that's right, yeah, I said ESC.
Put a new receiver in it and everything was good. So this has 120 amp ESC, a 2200 kV brushless motor.
Yeah.
It runs on two cell 4,000 milliamp batteries in series.
Right.
So that means there's 4 cells of power going through it at 4,000 milliamps.
Supposed to hit 50 miles an hour, right?
Yeah, 80 kilometers, 50 miles per hour.
Look at these big shocks.
This comes in just under $300 as of right now, $289.99. We'll have that linked in the description box below for you guys. Today we're here just to do a speed test to see if it's gonna hit the advertised speeds. We were here just a couple weeks ago with a short course truck that Arma sent in, claimed 50 miles per hour and it hit it, no problem. This is, in my opinion, in direct competition with that.
Yes.
So I want to see if it's going to be able to hit it. So does Amelia and so does Nate. Poor Popeye, he'd probably try to hit 50 miles per hour too.
Yeah.
If we had him out here. So let's go run this. There are so many branches on the track right now. Nate's actually having to go through and clear the track so like a stick doesn't go flying at us. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. We got it trimmed up too, so we're just waiting on him to clear the track and then we will hit it.
Okay, sticks are cleared. Abby and I are using ourselves as a bodyguard for Amelia. I think she's good and safe. Let's do this. I definitely have to try this too because I love that sentence. So
we zeroed out our speed meter and I have not done full throttle in this, but I can already tell it has a lot of power.
Well, juice it. Let's go.
Ready?
Everyone's waiting.
3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go. Ooh, nice. Okay. Ooh, nice.
That was faster than
I don't think so, but let's take a look.
I could see it like listening.
Oh yeah, look at that. That is cool. Oh, 60 kilometers an hour. That's not bad. That's not 50, but that's fast. But that is fast.
I was going to be surprised if it actually hit the advertised speed because it's China products.
True. Yeah.
Do you want to zero it out again or just leave it?
Just go a couple more times. We'll see if we can beat 60. Well, I like that front end lifts up when you
Yeah, but it has to be slowing it down.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think a big thing to blame for that is the tires. I can tell the tires are kind of hard plasticky tires rather than, here we go.
I thought that trimmed up nicely though.
Yeah, you did. Okay, I gotta try this. Look at that front end lifting up. Oh, it looks cool. 61, so you did.
I thought it was 62.
No, 60.
Oh, okay.
60, now 61. It's so windy. This is why we're doing a truck and not a drone or a plane today. Okay.
All right, be
myself as a body shield for a minute.
It's not like we haven't taken RCs to the shins before.
I want to show you guys, Abby, zoom in on that. I want to show them the front end as it lifts up.
Okay.
That's cool. I don't think I've ever seen one do that. Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's just screaming.
Whoa, you can't keep it straight.
I kind of like the somewhat plasticky tires. Remember the little WL Toys the car that we did and I put tape on the tires and I drove it in the kitchen and it was like sliding around? It's kind of what this is. That's not supposed to, but it's fun. Come on, baby. You know what? Maybe it's the batteries. Because 60 sure ain't 80. 61. I mean, that's fast.
What do you think? What do you think that is?
In ballpark 39.
We don't have the conversions.
42, 30, between 39 and 42.
All
That's
right.
what my money is. Let me just check that to see. 37. So what did I say?
I don't know. Something in 42. 37?
30. What did I say?
I don't
36. It's 37.3.
Well, we'll have to watch the video and see what you
I
said.
can't remember what I even said, but that's not bad.
Something to 42.
Okay, so I was very close.
Yeah,
I'm getting better at the conversions. The sound of RC motors and engines just soothes our baby to sleep.
That's all we did when she was in me, so I'm not surprised. Kind of bummed that it didn't hit the speeds, but I've always made it known that I like to bash. I'm not in the RC ground vehicles for speed. That's just not my thing in the hobby. I just like to go bash. So be sure to subscribe to see this bash, and I think that's what we're gonna go do today too.
As long as she's okay with it.
As
Yes.
long as Amelia says it's okay. Let us know in the comments below if you like this ZD racing truck better or that bright green brushless Arma Sentin that we had on the channel a few weeks ago. We'll have the video on the end screen for you to check out.
The prices are so similar that we just got it. We got to get the feedback from you guys.
I want to know what you guys think, so please let us know. I enjoyed this truck, just a little bummed that it didn't hit the advertised speeds. I would rather them put a lower speed and it meet it than a higher speed and it not come anywhere close.
I agree.
Good.
I agree with that.
Let us know if you guys agree with that too. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye!
Go, 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 go.
I always mess that up. Right into the pole.
Woo, it's fast. You can't say that's slow. You cannot say that that is slow. Woo! Woo! So Abby and I are taking a walk around the track here just to kind of end it because it's like 50 degrees out. It feels really good.
It's almost 60.
Almost 60, which is awesome for February. And we were talking about this truck. This is what we do a lot of times. We do a video, then we kind of talk about stuff after the video. Sometimes something important enough comes up that we want to remind you guys. And we were thinking, yeah, this is close to $300. The Arma Sentin is $300. But what we ignored was the fact that this comes with a charger, be it a pretty meh charger, but it also comes with 2 LiPo batteries to run in series for this truck. If you wanted to get a good battery for the Arma Sentin, you're gonna spend some more money, a good chunk of money. So without those batteries, this is probably priced more like roughly $240, $250.
Yeah.
So definitely something to consider. Now let us know in the comment section below what you guys think of this versus the Arma Sentin. Cannot wait to hear from you. See you in the next video.
Bye again.
Look at that. Walking around the track while Abby drives.
Oh, look, yeah, look. Nathan, that's Amelia's, one of her birthstones. She actually has 2. It's opal and then pink sapphire. And so Nathan got this for me to give to her when it can fit her.
For Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.